record from we are jumping into our topic. Think on the scenario also, keep it in your mindset also, sir, please.
Yeah, we can do the services, no, the start services. We can always enable that specific server on the Microsoft console. MSTC,
Sir,
MSTSC.
MSTSC, correct, sir. As you said, like MSTSC, we can go down and we can configure and look at the services and everything also. But services is almost running, but data is not
Yeah,
synchronizing.
running. There is a tick mark is there, so you have to remove that one so that it will go into the loop. It will never end. So it will there'll be one starter, no, it will keep on running.
Correct, correct, correct.
So that is the one way. Other way is in AX 2012 we can in the system administration we can provide each subsidiary
Hmm.
location they can provide the mirror of the server in that administration. There is a path code they can copy that and they can configure the
License
path
kit,
specific
path,
path. Yes,
batch
and
groups.
each side they need to, for example, IT01 mean IT01 they need to copy and paste it on the server system administration.
Maybe the
So
server
they need to do
configuration.
for each site. So each site. So
This is the
that
place, sir.
automatically system will
No,
capture whatever
this
the
this is the
transaction.
place you are communicating, sir. This is a bad job for respective servers.
Yes.
AOS is one is running across. This is AOS one instant one retail shop 96 shops. I can run it across like this. The bad job minimum threat is server configuration. All these things you are communicating, sir.
Yes.
Limits of AOS. All these things we can set it across here as you are pointing out this. Okay. Now let me get the credentials so that if the credentials are coming up, I have a login credential right now. I need to get a permission to log in. Otherwise, I'll
Okay.
log in and show you. Maybe tomorrow day after tomorrow they may give us. Once they given across, maybe we can be in a position to open and show you across from my answer.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Maybe, yeah.
That would
We
be
have
the
seen this
live
in the
thing.
past. Actually.
That would be the live instance. You can also have a look on it. Your older version, also the new version. This is your complete new version. The older version we have seen across from all of them. Maybe Umesh sir and Madam doesn't know what is the older version itself. So they can get an idea. They can get a clarity also. So that when the opportunity comes in, also you can take upfrontly because nothing difference. Only the UI. Advance is more in D65. No more advance in AX2012 because it is running in different server. Server is failed, you cannot run the server, you cannot run the ERP itself. But here cloud is there, you don't have a reason for stopping the particular environment. There you have a reason to
Yes.
stop the environment manually also.
Yes.
Okay, because payment is not there, you can stop it. Here also the same issues is there, but cloud server is always handshaking with your Azure Active Directory. That's called your Azure portal. When you can go
Yeah.
to the portal, you can stop. That is an actual scenario to stop the server. But even though there is a portal level also, you have an option for services.msc. You can stop
Yes.
the server also. But eventually what happened? Cloud will run, local server will not run across. That is the difference between cloud server and the local server, local hosting server.
Yes.
So because more times we used to do it because of the payment issues are coming up, we used to stop. Please follow the same thing also from your end also, sir.
Yes.
If there is no customer payment given across you, you stop the server, let them come back to you. They will ask you regarding the same thing from your end. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the today's agenda is like? I can show you the agenda today. What we are going to do it. Let me open the screen. So we were in the part of location, correct, sir? The last one. Is there any doubt you have the last part? But you have practiced or not?
No, not really.
Because after that I didn't have anything because I'm working with the customer place. And yesterday nothing was happened for me also.
Yeah.
Full
Today
day.
I will try to do that. Today
Please,
I
you
will
can
go.
because you follow the whatever these things I have given you a material, sir. The big material warehouse. Same thing only you can
Yes.
follow. Nothing else, sir. Same thing, same screens, madam. You can also follow the same thing. Nothing is different. Whatever we have defined across storage dimension, location profile, location setup, reservation, warehouse setup, tracking dimension, item setup. But we have seen only for storage dimension on the day and your tracking dimension. Correct or not, sir?
Yes.
These two things only we have seen across. So what exactly these two things which we have completed? We have to go to location, reservation, warehouse setup, and tracking. This is your advanced warehouse we are configuring right now. Before that, I'm going to give you across the small hint and identification which I can give you right now. What is it called? We can go and configure the mobile configuration so that when we can configure the mobile, this will be interlinked. Location setup and profile will be interlinked so that everything will be cohesively come in how the advanced warehouse management is working. All these are configuration only, one time configuration. Okay, sir. So today's agenda is like today's agenda 28, is it right, sir? 09, okay, 21. So agenda for today is like we are going to configure the mobile setup. Then we'll go to location, profile, reservation, warehouse, and tracking, so that the job will be ease out the process, so that you will get a clarity. Oh, for mobile also like this, same part we have to do it in the system administrator in the actual cloud-based application also. So both the process is user friendly. If you learn mobile device, you will be more familiar, because most of the customer will approach you to configure in mobile only, not in your desktop or like your cloud server. If you configure in mobile's application, automatically everything will be appearing in the mobile setup, because people used to carry with the mobile from their devices and all advanced warehouse management process. Got it, sir?
Yeah.
So what we are going to do it mobile application configuration only, because advanced level you are going, you should not carry laptop all blah blah things to set up in the desktop level, in the warehouse level, plus your where exactly gate entry process. Only carrying a mobile, madam, try to understand, carrying a mobile device and making your entries happening inside in the process of Dynamics 365. How do we do it right now? That is the configuration we are going to do it. The module should be in the mobile application. In the system administrator, we should be configured first. Okay, sir. So there is a
Yeah.
feature, there is an option called feature management. So if you can go and check in the feature management, is there or not, we can check it out. Otherwise, we can directly go to the mobile application. Let us go to system administrator. Okay. Or else you can go to your home. There is an option will be available in the setup itself. Look at this. Is there any feature management is there? Sir, got it?
Yes.
Click the feature
Yes.
management. Once you click the feature management, it will show you for the cross docking area. What will be the cross docking? I'll explain you. Should be enabled. 1 minute is loading now. Click feature management. So this is the actual feature management for this particular environment, sir. My setups is basically an international company. This license is for actually for the Indian reversal TDS, all the process we are making out. So if you would have enable or disable all these things, we should be in a position to configure from here only, sir. Okay. Okay, because this is disabled now, so I should be in a position to, if I, this is enabled now, sorry, this is enabled. If I would have disabled it, I can disable it, otherwise I can make it enable all. Okay, already this is enable, so there should not be any kind of a process. You can check like what all the things are not enabled, or you can go to all. Sir, how do we see in our ISS, sir? Saravanan sir, you know ISS, IAS, sorry,
Yes.
IAS,
Yes. No idea.
IAS, sir. IAS లేదు sir, IAS, IAS, sir. 1 minute, I'll show you.
See, maybe
IIS,
if I'm seeing that IAS.
IIS server in Accepta, sir. Installation web service. This is the one, sir. You might have
Okay.
not
Okay.
seen. This is the one, sir. Like the same one on the AOS server. Like this will be there, sir.
Okay.
Okay, IIS server. These are all server based, Umesh ji. Don't get confused. These are all older version. Okay, now it's also
Okay.
available. It is in the administrative level. People should go, but not in the functional level, because since the project level we were there, we can understand, we can know this kind of a things and all terminological, all these things. But where exactly we were configuring, we were also enabling all the server level issues and everything when there is an options are available. So this will be available in all the places. This what you will do, you will go and check your planned planned cross docking. Check whether the planned cross docking is there.
Yes.
Is there, sir? So
Yeah.
what is planned cross docking is there. So if you could check this, there should be a button, should be yeah, enable should be there always. It should be there, enable. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is enabled already. So we don't have any issue right now. 1 minute. This is enabled, already enabled. So we don't have anything. If it is not enabled, you can enable also from the system. It is already enabled, sir. But for me, it is locked because of enability. It is locked under the solution. Feature was made mandatory in 23/6/2021. Look at this, 6 month itself we have defined across all these things. Okay, the features is locked because maybe my administrator would be locked out, because all your areas of warehouse management, advanced warehouse management, this is the place. Do not enable new features automatically. Look at this, enable new features automatically means what, whenever the Microsoft is updating, you will lose your data. Try to understand, sir. Any upgradation Microsoft has done from their system level, from the overall service level, it will automatically happen. Sometimes you lose the data, whatever the database. Got it, sir?
Got it.
Got it, sir? This is the actual process. You should be in a position to understand and make yourself comfortable on the scenario, sir. Okay. So this is the actual scenarios were there. So if you could enable, this could be enabled already. So we don't have any issue, the planned doc thing. So once it is done, where exactly we can go down, there is a lock button is there. This should be locked. So this kind of a things will be already there. For me, it is already enabled. Advanced warehouse system we have already enabled. So I don't want to disable and enable show it, because this feature, this blue color should be there. When I would have been enabled, the date should be there. This is the date which I enabled the particular thing. After that, I didn't come back and make myself enable or disable, because one time only I'll be configuring this for your advanced mobile warehouse technology. We are going to coming and configuring, sir. So this will be using in your dockyard. What is dockyard? In your harbor. Correct. All your dockyarding, maybe your the place where your shipment is coming and making all these things, which we are going to do it. So now we can create our own worker and reset the worker for this particular area. So now where exactly I will go down, I'll go and create the worker or the worker identification in the worker setup. Maybe I can go to the setup of the warehouse. Now this is enable. Make sure this should be enabled. If it is not enabled like this, you can like this, you will be going enable now. So like this will be there, sir, if it is not enabled. Umesh sir, madam, if it is
Yes,
not
yes, sir.
enabled, madam, like this, madam, are you there? If you are not enabled,
Yes.
like this will be there, sir. Madam, like this will be there.
Okay.
Saranand sir, if it is
Yeah.
enabled,
Yeah.
you will be getting a lock like this. So it is locked. You have a facility features is enabled. Don't do anything. Got it? Got the logic, sir? If I would like
Yes.
to add my environment for this feature, example, planned production order for planning optimization. Saranand sir, anything customer is asking you for a new setup or a new authentication requirement, sir, madam, don't get panic. First, come and check here. Any feature management Microsoft have imported, Microsoft have updated.
Okay.
Got it, sir? Come here,
Yeah.
do it here, so that any kind of a thing, suppose a customer is approaching any kind of a new thing, come here, type all, you can type, all features will be available. The new features are coming in the system of Dynamics 365. Correct, sir? Type
Yeah.
here, whatever the area, suppose the customer is asking, I want mobile, I want warehouse, I want cross docking, I want setup. All these things you can do, because why I'm choosing a cross docking, advanced warehouse management we are checking. We are learning advanced warehouse management from the mobile device application. I'm going to configure. So mobile device is like you cannot allow computer or laptop inside in the harbor sometime. Mobile is allowing. If you put a laptop, all these things, you will be getting a pass. You will become a senior person, higher officials. Then only they'll allow inside to do all kind of a transaction, or you will become a freight forwarding container service provider, because your shipment is coming, you are going and doing all kind of receiving. That time you should not require to capture all kind of photos, everything inside in the harbor. This is a process in Indian harbor. Correct or not, sir? Most
Yes.
of the
Yes.
dockyard, because multiple containers will be coming here. You don't have allowed to go inside. First of all, permissions are not allowed. So all the features, carrying a mobile, do your job. Scan your container box, 20 feet or 40 feet container. Scan it from the outer line of the container shipment, and the barcode will be available. That barcode can be loading your entire stock is coming inside. With the internal dockyard system, there is a dockyard, there is a material arrived. There is no more seal open. Everything you are tracking from the dockyard management. Now go to the warehouse management, setup and worker, setup, go to setup, go to worker, there is worker. Now I'll just add Julia Funderbook is a worker for me. I need to add this particular worker into a particular warehouse. I mean, I can define the warehouse name. What is the warehouse name? I mean, here John, I can add it across. Julia Funderbook is my user ID, sir. So I'm going to add one more warehouse. Maybe I'll add with the warehouse called doc. Doc. Okay, doc. The username is doc. I can say it across, but I need to create a user also the similar way, sir. Try to understand. I need to create the user also similar way. So let me go to the warehouse, default warehouse, main warehouse. I can create one more warehouse called doc. Click new, doc, doc. Site, any site you can define across. One I can define across. Got it, sir?
Yeah.
And the warehouse here. So this is the place we have a process of next reservation, use warehouse management process. Okay, all these things if you would like to enable, we will be enabling there, and it will be coming and impacting reflecting here actually. Look at the BOL, bill of lading. Got it, sir? Bill of
Yeah.
lading.
Yeah.
But look at this. If you would have enabled the bill of lading, you can print the bill of lading. Scanning on the barcode, you will be printing the bill of lading from your internal report. All the features are available. When
Sir,
the
what is bill of lading?
bill of lading, when the shipment has been processing, sir, there is a bill of lading. There
There
is
is
a
a bill
shipment bill.
lading.
There is a loading for a stock, sir, in the container, sir, from your consigner consignee. Simple
Okay, okay,
example
okay.
for your parcel service, sir. Courier service, you
Okay.
can say. They will raise it in the bill of lading according to the dredging machine, whatever
They call
the
it DC, delivery
DC,
challan.
delivery challan, as a simple terminology. Bill of lading in the corporate freight forwarding language.
Okay.
They call it as ocean-way service provider. They call it as bill of lading. Roadways people, they call it as DC, delivery challan, delivery order. They call it as a different terminology. This is how lorry transport
Yes.
services, they call it as a different terminology. But process is same. Roadways, airways, railways. Railways is called RR number, they call railway receipt number, RRN.
Yes.
Okay, there are process which is defining it from the industry level, which they are looking at. That is a process which we are defining right now. So now we are enabling this doc, close, and I'm going to choose a doc warehouse itself. Updated or not? I can set the password 123. Okay, 123. User ID. Never. Sir, got it, sir. I've defined the user ID password called doc. Maybe doc default warehouse is not the main. I can choose it out. I'm letting save doc. I say save. Default location. This one. Issue location is different one. Nothing. I mean, we have not created any location. That's a problem. Right click the equation and we'll create across. I'll create the location. Which location? I'm just receiving dockyard. Is it right? I can make a mention harbor. Warehouse number 22, 29. I'm making across. Bulk location, you can make it across. Yale is an identification. Which place, which location, I can make it across. Inventory location must be filled in. location. So this is the place I'm creating a location. Already it's created the destination. Which location it is going? 29. Okay, display format. Location is filled. Got it, sir. Warehouse, location, location type. Got it, sir. This is the process which we are defined across right now. When you are configuring the setup, this will be location. Location is filled, is it right? What is the problem? No, this is not there.
Sir, what is the quarantine warehouse means? Just asking.
Same process, madam. Where we are quarantining, lockdown, quarantine. Same process only. Nothing is differentiating. Same thing, quarantine warehouse also. Nothing is differentiating. They call it as they will be keeping isolated because it is not coming from someone will come and collect. Your material is quarantined because you will be in other location. You will be coming back to your native. When you are reached, you will be going and collecting. Till that time, it is in quarantine. I think the warehouse is not added. Let me create the warehouse so that the dock warehouse will be coming in. 1 second. Default warehouse. Eleven and 12 is there, then why it is not coming in?
Sir, generally use quarantine warehouse for rejected materials.
Not rejected also, it would be on damage, and sometimes it is like you are not
Yes,
even
yes.
come and collected. Not even coming and collecting. Sometimes people will not collect because of payment is pending. Most of the people what they will do, they will not come and pay the payment. Cash on delivery. Most of the time the things will be happening in the dockyard. Then the harbor level they'll be keeping. That's why they call it as like a auction. You're doing from no auction. Quarantine stocks are moving out of auction. They'll do for auction and everything.
Okay.
So this is the actual scenario. They'll be in a position to make sure in the quarantine levels are actually. Okay, save warehouse. Copy location, update warehouse location. One second, just a setup I'm doing it, nothing else.
Yes, yes, yes.
Don't worry at all. It's not updated. Okay, this is not required at the moment for inventory location. Let's go with the inbuilt default warehouse. 24 warehouse, we can take it out. Okay, make it so that this is the user ID password. User ID password. Password is 123 I've given. Username, user ID. Okay, 24 and main. This is the main menu. Menu will be main in the mobile level. When I'm just configuring mobile level, sir, don't get confused what I'm doing. Okay, mobile level I'm configuring now. When you're opening in the mobile device, what you will do it, we will see the main menu. What exactly you will see? You'll see the main menu. That is what I'm just configuring right now, nothing else. Try to understand, I'm configuring the main menu right now in the mobile level. There is a password is asked. If you can go log into doc, it will ask you the password and everything. Now what you will do, like you can go back to the area of doc actually. When you can go to doc, let me go for a doc. Okay, this is the actual warehouse I'm just created across from my end. So this is the place where I have created across. Close this and go back. flows. Okay, now go to the location. Worker is there. We have configured the worker right now. So check the worker name of doc. What is coming up? It is there. It is there already. So now what is this? Now we are going to do it. Edit this. View details. Okay, sir. So my location, I need to be in a position to enable. So doc, where is doc? Let me add BOCC. Okay. Inventory management. Site, I would like to define one. This is the place quarantine. All these things you should be in a position to configure. Okay.
Yes.
Transit or quarantine or quarantine. If you could give a quarantine management, if I would have enabled this, this will be asking you an automatic quarantine. This is a quarantine management. A default transit means transit from which location to which location is going across. Default means you have to define the quarantine warehouse, transit warehouse, all these things from your end. Okay, sir. Let us give quarantine. Okay. Inventory. Has to come in. Why it is not coming in? That's a problem now. Has to come the list of location. Why it is not coming? I don't know. Even though we have created the location, inventory location. Copy rack from 12 to from dock to I can change into dock. Okay, sir. Dock
Yeah.
doesn't exist
Yes.
in dock. Aisle doesn't exist. Aisle doesn't exist. Okay. Look at this. I need to create like a L. What is ale?
Mail is
It is
part of that rack.
A
no,
neighbor.
no, no, no.
You can
It is a
say
passage,
passage,
empty
empty
place.
passage or empty place. Like your seats are in your train ticket or a flight ticket. If you have
Mail.
an ale row is like the person who's sitting. There is a passage. That's called ale.
Yes.
There's a seat called ale seat. So you'll be more comfortable compared to the window seat and middle seat guy. Okay. Preferably, most of them prefer on the ale seat only because they'll be very happy to lift their land their legs and everything. Boot space is more compared to other things. That's what space is available. Passage is there. We can keep more material and we can keep also a complete things also. And every rack level there's a ale. That is what they'll say. Ale number one, ale number two, ale number three. They'll be putting on the color codification also sometimes. Some of the companies, some of the warehouse management, they'll do it across.
Sir, it's like a gangway.
Exactly right, sir. Gangway. Okay, let me choose the user ID and password. Maybe doc itself, I'll 24 I can make it out. So this is done. Now what is the next process called? To avoid the error, we can go for the location setup right now. So where is the location setup? I can even go and check you. From the location, receipt location and these things, we are going to go for enable the license plate. That's called license plate and everything in the license level. So warehouse, location, and your location profile, all these things I'm going to configure right now. So where is the location profile, all these things I'm going to create you right now, sir. Where is the location profile? Allow picking location override. Okay. And allow put location override. If you override, you cannot have, you don't want to put across. If you are enable this, you don't want to mention location itself. Okay,
Okay.
if you require a location to be specified, because we are not configuring location properly, doc, there should not be a location configured. I'm choosing another warehouse, so I'm just overriding the process of work location of location specification, everything for picking and packing. Got it, sir? If you enable this, if you're not enabling, you have to be in a position to configure location properly. Then only at the time of receiving level, it will ask you, please mention the location. Please mention the location because location is a mandatory field if it is enabled. If it is enable, you should not have a problem because you can bifurcate the process and go out. Got it, sir? Got it?
Yes.
Any idea? Any process? Now I can go to create the location profile. Go to location profile. Where is location inventory warehouse management? LTL class mobile device. This is the place, sir. We're going to configure. This is the place. Mobile device menu item, mobile device display setting, disposition code, cluster profile, warehouse app field, warehouse app fielding. All these things we are going to configure now. So this is the actual place we'll be in a position to configuring from our end. This is the mobile setup from our end. Got it, sir? This is the mobile setup. We are going to do it. Docking system. Look at this cross docking policy. Location derivatives failure. All these things we will be in a position to do it from here. Location profile will be coming up now. Okay. So all these things, warehouse, location profile. Got it, sir? Site, warehouse, location. This is the place where exactly we'll be configured from the setup. Try to understand where exactly we were there. We were just coming in the first level of whether the advanced warehouse management is active or not. First number one for a mobile device application. Point number one. Make a note of it, sir. Point number one. Where we have gone, feature management. Make a note of it. Feature management. Click the feature management. Check your cross docking is a major for mobile device application. Check whether it is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, make it enable. Come out and go to the warehouse management. Come directly to the worker. Define the worker now. From that worker, we are going to create the mobile device application to log into the system right now. What is called to log into the system right now? What we have to do now? We are going to giving an access for that particular user to access in his mobile phone to access the environment. What is the environment? Advanced warehouse management on receiving the material from the harbor or a gate or the warehouses or the locations wherever he is going using in his mobile phone. That is what we are doing right now. Let me go and do the locations. So this is the place we are going to create the location and the location profile and the doc I need to add it across right now. Maybe create a new one. Choose your location. Maybe we have chosen which one, sir? We have used chosen 25 or 27. We have chosen. Choose it 27. 27. Make it 27. After that, we can change it out. No problem. Location. Which location we are going to choose now? This is the place like your username will be coming up. Look at this. I would like to create a user now. Doc. Okay. Came in, sir.
Yes.
Sir, got it, sir. 24, sir. Site and warehouse. Please don't have note of it. 24, not 27. Got it, sir. Warehouse
Yes.
24 now. We have to choose 24 now. And now it is clear, sir. This is the digit. Please make a note of it. 5981672. Make a note of it, sir. So we are defining the user, which location he can go and which location he is going to do for the work. All these things we are defining. His job is going to allocate on the respective location. So he can go to the location and do from his mobile itself to receiving the entire material, do the transaction using the mobile device. Madam, got the clarity or confusion? I am not doing anything. Just a setup I am doing. Just a setup. I'm not even showing the mobile application right now. Just a setup. This is one-time setup. All these things I'll give you a manual. Don't worry. Okay. All these things I'll give a screenshot level manual. Don't worry with the description. Don't get panic. So first time you will get confusion. Next time when you are traveling, when you are migrating, when you are navigating, this will be very simple and easy for you also to understand. Okay, sir. One second. Yes. Who's this? I was there actually. 1 minute, sir. I was there. Yeah, tell me regarding. Okay, who is the person name, sir? Correct, correct. He was worked earlier, and tell me, due to the pandemic situation, all these things, they've closed the organization now. This guy was worked with us actually. Okay, tell me, sir. Yes, yes. Because of 2 3 years, nothing was there. It's a consulting plus a small project company. Even I was part of that. Not a. I'm a consultant also for this company. So I was responsible for Ramesh, the project delivery and everything from my end. So I know him very well. So that's why he is given my number and everything regarding the same. So I'm part of the organization also. Not to worry about. That's not a major thing. No, 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 no. Everything is shut down. So nothing is been associated with anything. Your company name? First advantage. Okay, you can send me an email. My email ID is even prasadr29@hotmail.com. That is the mail ID you can send me across. I can give you the clearance also from myself with a clear thing, sir. He is not having a red and everything or black and yes, is green. No worries at all because I'm giving a reference and everything from my end. I can give you the confirmation also from myself. No problem. But nothing, nobody is available in the setup right now. If you can go send your person also, nobody is available because I am also not in Chennai. I'm at my native right now, settled down for the last 2 years. So nothing is there. So that's why because everybody have moved out. Any reference, I'll give the point of contact from the person whomever worked with my projects and everything. So with the direct consulting project. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Send me a thing, sir. Send me a thing. Thank you so much. Bye bye. 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 Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this
Verification
is
call.
the verification call from one of the project consultant. So location profile. So this is the place, sir. Are you going for which floor? Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Web shop floor, or stage, or QMS area, receiving area, whichever the location you are going, you can even define. You want to create a new thing, also you can create across. Got it, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have an option
Yes.
called even though if it is a negative item, also you can choose. Sometime you want to deliver the material internally. Internally, you want to deliver. There is a truck is there, forklift is there. Maybe you can say dockyard. Okay, dockyard. Okay, dockyard. Location format. What kind of a dockyard is like? Is there any dockyard is there? You can check it out. Nothing is there in dockyard. I can create a dockyard. Click new. Like this, sir. Make a note of it. Ale rack shelf bin. Okay, like this I'm going to create. Got the idea? What I'm communicating, madam? I think she's getting confused, madam. I'll tell you right now. Let me give you the picture. Picture, if I can give you, you will get clarity, madam. Don't worry.
Any flow diagram at this point?
I'll give you, sir. I'll give you. That is what I'll show you. 1 minute. Bulk yard in warehouse. Like this, madam. Look at this. One, two, three. Ale, shelf, bin. You know what is bin
Yes.
card? Anyone knows what is bin card? This is the bin card, sir. The person is sticked in the bin card. Each and every space has rack wise. This is the rack one, rack two, rack three. Got it,
I
sir, Umesh, sir?
yes, go ahead.
This is
Yes,
this
sir.
is called warehouse management, madam. Don't think on anything else, sir. Sarunan sir, Umesh sir, this is how warehouse. Maybe you people have not went inside to the warehouse in a bigger level. Whereas maybe Sarunan sir would have visited big warehouses. If you visited, like your Walmart, example, Walmart showroom. Somebody knows in
Mhm.
India, they know Big Bazaar. They know a big
Yes.
company like where is the big company? Next big company you can say, sir, Reliance. You can say
Yes, yes, I have seen, sir. Like,
you might have seen in Walmart is a big showroom and everywhere in country. Like this in the Indian market, we can say Big Bazaar is a big company. They will have like this. They'll keep all these things in a bigger level. Now they will keep like a rack and shelf. They will be in a position to make the order like this. This is your lift, Bobcat forklift. This is a small level.
Forklift.
This is a forklift which they carry with their pallets. You know what is pallet? pallet. There is a pallet will be there. They'll be dumping with their particular material and keep it as a safer place. They should keep it as a pallet. In the pallet only, we were doing across shelf, bin, and your rail. All these things, compartments you are filling across. This is called, this is like this, sir. Similar like this, sir. This is a fantastic diagram.
Yes.
This is the picture, madam. Each places you may see the white color sticker that is called your bin card. In the box inside, you may have some of 100 items. You may call it same size, maybe size will be differing. Inch 1, inch 2, inch 3, inch 4, inch 5. You have a screws, multiple screws inside in the bin card, but bin card has like 1000 screws are available inside. Sizes from 1 to 20. So the bin card they can see easily. They can take the box, they can sell it across easily. That is called bin card. And which shelf they will give you across. This is an ale or shelf or rack 1 or rack 2 or bay 1 or bay 2. Like this is the actual scenario we are creating right now in the system, madam.
Okay, sir.
Actually, sir, it's total identification of the product.
Exactly, sir. Where it is located, where it is identifiable, where is easily can track it out and bringing it out in the system from ourselves. Okay. So according to that, we'll be in a position to make sure that. Okay. So I'll create like a rack. I can create a shelf also. என்ன உனக்கு பிரச்சனை சுட்டு கொடுத்துருங்க நான் வச்சுக்கிறேன் லேட் ஆகும் எனக்கு லேட் ஆகும் ஏன் வெளியே தான் வாங்கணுமா என்ன வாங்கினேன் எப்போ போய் வாங்கினேன் இப்படியே போயிட்டு வாங்கிட்டியா Look at this, sir. Example 0000, it is showing across now. Correct or not? Length, if you could go with the length also, if I add some 30, add with the 20, maybe the characters will be not 10 digit character is the maximum length is 10 digit. Okay. You can give a length of 10. Maybe take an example of this thing. 10. Okay. 2, 2, 1, 1. The digits are like this. I can give you 1. 300 is not a bigger the number size and everything we are defining across. That's what I'm defining here. So I can see 10. Starting from bin card number should be 10 digits. Length of a 10 digit. 2 digit number. 1 digit. Maybe you might have seen the Flipkart or Amazon, whatever the product which you're receiving, you may not seen the box.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. There is a
Yes.
barcode and other details.
Things mentioned. Got it, sir. So this is the actual box you are receiving. This is the actual box. In that box, you may see the cover. This is a cover. You might have seen this. This cover, they have a barcode. Got it, sir? Cash on delivery. You might have seen which place it is coming from. Hyderabad or Visakhapatnam or Guntur, Nellore. Wherever the place where it is going to YouTube. I don't know. Okay. So like this is the, look at this, the barcode, QR code. Earlier it was barcode. Some product will be coming with the barcode. Some product will be coming with the QR code. It will be mentioning that this is from a warehouse. This is from a dockyard. This is from the flight, which flight it is coming from. All these things will be mentioned in the particular package. So that is what we were defining right now. With the digits also, like this, it will be showing bin, shelf, and ale. This is how the process which we are maximizing and everything, minimizing all these things. Got it, sir? That is what I'm defining right now. Nothing else I'm defining right now. Maybe 3 digit I can define across location. Save and close. Okay. Now I can choose the location format. So which location it is came across, you can get it easily. Dockyard. So it is from Visakhapatnam, VI, 2 digit. Okay. Via transit of which location? Maybe Vijayawada, VJ. Via with the Tamil Nadu, TN. Bin number, bin card, shelf number, which shelf we have taken. All these things we can make it out, sir. Allow mixed item, location type. Now you can choose it across. Okay. Location type, it is a bulk or or order, packing, picking location, all this packing I can choose in the cross. So allow mixed inventory status. Dock management profile ID. If you have a dock management profile ID, it is a transfer or a larger customer or which mode it is coming up. All these things also you can define. Otherwise, you don't generate check digit. The check digit which I have given for the location ID, you might have seen 5971 check digit. Got it, sir? These are all setups only. Don't get confused. All these are setup. Packing location profile must be, packing location must be enabled. Where is packing location? Use
Yes, yes.
license plate. I can do like a bay dot, not a problem. This would be easy. Save. Okay, sir. Now you can define all these things. Save, and I'm going and choosing with the location profile right now. Close this. ID check digit is coming up, sir.
Yes.
I'm choosing with the dockyard. I'm picking zone ID. Okay, I can make the picking zone one floor rack already is there. So now it is saving that. Now I'm cannot take a location 24 record already. 24 is already existing, so I can choose a different warehouse. 27. Save. Is saved, sir.
Yes.
Saved, sir. Now. So now close this. Choose your location. Came in, sir. Dockyard.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Just the setup, madam. Don't get panic. Check digit is coming up automatically. Sir, we have enabled check digit automatically coming. I'm not doing. This is a number sequence. 17 08 7313. All are number sequence from 597. This number sequence are coming up. Profile ID. Maybe this check digit is nothing but your barcode, QR code.
Okay.
Conversion will be like a presentable in the form of printing like your barcode, QR code. That is called your check digits. 4-digit, 5-digit barcode, 6-digit barcode, or code 39, code 128. Hope you know that. What is code 128, code 38? These digits can be converted into code 28 and everything from the barcode level. QR code, you will get only digits. Alphanumeric or only number. Dockyard. Got it, sir? Picking zone 1, I'm going to choose now. Clear, sir? Now, so I am just saving this. I'm configuring this now. 27 record is already there. I'm going to change the warehouse now. 34.
24.
Save it, not a problem. 34 we can make it out. 27 is already there. Somewhere they were defined across below. 24. 34 only is not there. 34 I'm defining right now. So no problem. Close this. So location profile is defined across, sir. Now go to the mobile setup. One by one I can give you location setup wizard, location format, location stock, location profile. Check your dockyard is there.
Yes.
If you want license plate, you can enable license plate. What is license plate? The number.
Number plate.
Number plate is called license plate. That will be printing in the container. Correct or not, sir? Every container have a barcode. Hope you have seen that. Every container have a barcode.
Yes,
Every
yes.
container has a number. So that is the identification number from a barcode and these things. So you can save this license plate also if it is required. You can do it across. So close
So
this.
how it looks? I never seen license plate.
So license plate is in India, we call it as license number. So license plate is called your vehicle number is your license plate, sir, actually, not a number plate. In US, people call as license plate only, not from number plate. Indians
Because I'm
only we call
always
as like.
confusing with the license number and the serial
No, no,
number.
no, 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 no. It is, you are right. License and serial number is right. Actually speaking, from US market, their license number plus the vehicle number, they'll be adding in the car number. That is why they call it
Okay.
as license plate. What is your license number is the car number of your. If you sold out the car, that license is valid, but the car has been validation will be moved out to some other owner. That is called used cars. The name transfer will be mandatory. India only we don't follow the license plate system. India will follow number sequence. That is why sometime we'll be having the same number sequence will be coming for some vehicle. There is a problem is occurring in India. According to license holder, license number plus the number sequence of the thing, easily we can identify this particular driver is holding this car of this much. Okay. This is the actual process now. So go to the location profile is defined across. Go to the dock management profile. If you want to create a dockyard, you can create a dockyard also. Just a setup. Like order number, load ID, or wave ID. You can say like maybe I can give it as order ID, order number. That could be easiest for us to understand. Okay. Assume exemption. Empty location also is okay. Close. And okay, I can go for the mobile setup right now, sir. Mobile device menu. Okay, sir. This is the mobile device menu right now. I'm creating a new menu. Main DC. Main DC. Okay. Menu I am adding. Okay. And you can go for inventory. Whatever you want, you can define across that movement. You can do movement or production, purchase, put away, purchase receipt, or product receipt. Whatever you are looking out, everything can be acceptable. Picking to container, whatever you want, you can define across as per your purchase receivable. Okay, these three modules only will be available in that particular area. Main dock. I've just created the menu for. Make a note of it. Main DC is a menu which I'm created for the mobile device application. First one. Second one, go to mobile device items, which are all the item master need to be required there. Okay, sir, it is there now. So all these things are there now. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to create the new cluster warehouse called DC. Dockyard, I'm going to create right now. DC. Okay, mode. It's like a work or indirect. It will be going work. So save this. So what must be specified? I will make it as indirect. Save activity code. Okay. Look at this. This is a place. Driver check-in or item inquiry, location inquiry. All these things are available here. I can choose it for anyone which I can choose it across. Purpose for this, or it will be coming in the work when you are switching on the mobile. It will be coming up all these things. Close. Okay, mobile device set display and setting. Default settings already there. That is more than sufficient. We don't want to create anything. Default setting is more than sufficient. Okay, distribution code, warehouse app, all these things is coming up right now. So warehouse cluster profile. What is cluster profile? Anyone know what is cluster?
No.
No.
Meaning called cluster.
Instead in data, we are using data cluster.
Data cluster is right.
Action.
Yes, sir. Data cluster, correct. But where exactly we were using for a data cluster?
It's a portion of data space.
Okay. Okay. So portion of your work, so suppose it's a big order is coming up, you should be in a position to take only for selective items, selective things only. That option is also available. That process is also available. That's what we should do for purchase, put away, purchase, receive. All these things we can configure from the system, sir, from our end. Okay, let me just do it as it is. Let me go for a small Google it out. For the setup, I need to find a link actually. What link? I can copy this link. Okay, I
For
can copy
mobile.
this link for a mobile. Okay, Control C. I'm pasting here. Now what I would like to give across from this, where I can do it across, maybe I can give you across for the equal to, maybe slash equal to mi. Okay, mi equal to mobile action dot workstation work execution. Okay, WHS. happened? Trial. Okay, let me take the link in the net itself. Mobile application link for D365 FO for warehouse. Connecting warehouse link. User data, warehouse option, Contaso QR code. 1 minute, I can just take the link. If I take the link like this, it will open, sir. Like this, it will open like a mobile. So you can easily get your configuration, everything. Use demo code, all these things you can use it across. After this connection, we can make it out. There is a link has to come in. Link is not coming up. URL for instant out. API. The same link only which is working for me. Why it is not coming? I don't know. Let me copy again. Control C, Control V. Okay. Then I can type mi equal to, what else I type it, sir? Mi equal to actions colon WHS WORK work EXECUTE. This is the link actually will work out. Let me take the link BHK, all these things is correct. Now, 1 more minute. Which company we were there? USMF. Sir, look at this. Control C. Control V. Correct? MI. Okay. Now we can take action. WHS WORK EXECUTE. It's loading now. Coming, sir.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Now. So what is the name? DOC 123. Mobile login, sir. I'm opening a mobile login. Try to understand. Because live server, this will not be there, sir. Don't mistake me. Test server only like this will be there. For live server, this is not there. Okay. Test server, this is there. Live server, what happened? This USMF will be here, equal to the number, whatever we are typing will be coming up. So that's what that intention I'm typing and copying. I forgot this thing because this is a test server. We can use it for the respective title and everything. So that is what. Now log in. Sir, got it, sir? Whatever I have given there. Umesh, sir. Madam, inbound, outbound,
Yes,
main menu, inventory,
Umesh is
production.
went to offline.
Offline now.
Maybe
Okay, maybe it's an
he's trying
internet.
to reach me on phone. I don't know.
Oh, okay, sir. Maybe internet problem may be there. So this is the process, sir. Just a configuration. Whatever I given, put away, receive came in, sir. All main item
yeah.
I've given across. All menus I've given across. So everything is coming across now.
Yes,
Major thing which is coming up inbound, outbound, we can do it. This is the way when you can log into your mobile, it will be beautifully opening. You can even do everything. The same link is only will required. Madam got it. Link is required, nothing else. But link from the this thing. What is this? Live server. This thing will not be there. Okay, this number will not be there in test server. Live server. Test server will be there because of the licenses need to configure, upgrade every month for database connection. That is why this number is coming. For live server, till the company you can even do these things. This small make sure I can send this link also to you so that you will be getting a clarity when the interviewer or someone is asking. This link is one of the major things.